In this video, I'll show you how to enable USB ports on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. This is the easiest method and it's only available for specific versions of Windows like Pro and Enterprise. First, open the search menu. Type in Group Policy. From the search results, click on Edit Group Policy. In the left panel, double-click on Computer Configuration, then double-click on Administrative Templates. Next, double-click on the System folder. Now, scroll down and click on Removable Storage Access. Look over to the right panel. Find the item that says All Removable Storage Classes. Deny All Access. Double-click on that item. If you want to disable USB ports, choose the option that says Enabled. If you want to enable USB ports, select Not Configured or Disabled. After making your choice, click Apply, then click OK. Close the Group Policy Editor. You will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Now let's move on to the Registry Editor method. This is useful for users who are running the Home edition of Windows 11. Open the search menu again. Type in Regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Right-click on the result that says Registry Editor. Click Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to back up the registry. At the top of the Registry Editor, click on File, then click Export. Give your backup a name, for example, the date. Make sure the export range is set to All. Choose a location on your computer where it's easy to find the file, then click Save. If you ever need to restore the backup, click File, then click Import and select the file you just saved. Now that the backup is complete, expand the folders on the left panel. First, double-click on HK_local_machine. Next, double-click on System. Then double-click on Current Control Set. Next, find and double-click on Services. Scroll through the list and find a folder named USBSTOR, USBSTOR. Click on the USBSTOR folder. In the right panel, look for a value named Start. Double-click on Start. To disable USB ports, change the value data to 4. To enable USB ports, change the value data to 3. After making the change, click OK. Close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer for the change to take effect. That's it. Now your USB ports should be enabled depending on the method and settings you chose. Thanks for watching.